G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here, and we're in the thick of it once again. Only last week Captain Kurt drowned his WR250 in this muddy bog, and now it's Adrian the Pin-Up Boy's turn. Oh, and by the way, say hello to newcomer, Cameron the Python, riding his mighty Yamaha WR450. Mad Mal was getting down and dirty today, along with another newcomer. His name is Tim. And after today, I'm not sure Tim will ever ride with us again. And watch here as I zoom in on the pin-up boy Adrian. He'll just strike a pose.
Go for it! Go for it, Mal! Go for it!
Now for the first hour or two, I gently and persistently have to persuade Mad Mal to do stuff like ride up rocks. Because to be quite frank, he's hopeless before he warms up. Plus, he's just come back from the KTM rally in Tasmania. And he really does hate rocks. And now he's stuck. I had to send the Python in to show him how it was done. And Adrian, the pin-up boy for Amarok, Australia. Oh, and now there's two bikes stuck. Roger, the French assassin. He knows how to get up there without any fuss.
Weren't you just there before?
It was probably here that Tim was thinking, why am I riding with these dickheads? Anyhow, I got to ride for Team Suzuki again, the mighty DRZ 400. And today the French assassin wouldn't let anybody have a rest. As we made our way up Heartbreak Hill, there were bikes everywhere.
What the f*** am I doing there?
After 2 weeks of consuming his own weight in alcohol every night on the KTM rally and riding his big adventure bike, Mad Mal was more hopeless than ever.
Oh, that'll be good for a promo. Get out!
That's the most physical activity Mad Mal has ever done in his entire life. And Tim was riding like a juggernaut on the trails, although I'm not sure if it was the DRZ or Tim that was in control.
Nice one!
Wayne.
Don't blame
you, Wayne.
Don't blame me.
I was helping Tim with his DRZ, but not being much help at all, really.
What was that? Look, I can either follow you there, okay, or I can follow you there. Yeah, that's where you follow me. Yeah!
All that noise, Mal! Just watch Roger the French assassin quietly riding in stealth mode. Riding his bike like it's a scooter. Cameron the Python outriding everyone on Heartbreak Hill. And just to prove that it was my fault, Adrian the Pin-Up Boy failed. He's giving it another red-hot go. Oh well, there you go. Just like before, he ran out of talent.
I reckon go back down and do it again.
Oh, once more on the I don't often store my bike, but when I do, it's at the very top of the ramp of death. It even has some kind of magnetic force. Watch as it continually pulls Roger's bike back. Then it was time. Time for Mad Mal to do the ramp of death for the very first time. Would he survive?
Oh, you dead!
Mad Mal take 2.
What are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Is that shit on your seat? It is shit!
Well, I guess he survived, but only just. And once again I was riding for Team Suzuki. We were now onto muddier and slipperier pastures. And although Mad Mal had well and truly warmed up, he was still hopeless.
I'm gone! I'm gone! You just waste video. That's all you ever do. I know.
He may not have been able to ride, but his theatrics were getting better and better. After saying farewell to Tim, who needed to leave early, we hit some singles in the Watagans, had some lunch at Jerry's Cafe, and then finished the day with more singles in Aremba State Forest. Look to the left because I got to see how fast a red-belly black snake can travel when being chased by a Yamaha WR250. I also got to run into the Pin-Up Boys KTM and almost impale myself on a tree branch like a human shish kebab. But anything can happen on our Sunday rides, and usually does. But boy, do we have some fun. I'm artist Wayne Dowson, and thanks for watching, everyone.